find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy.
Anything I've tried before that was all natural, it was all a joke. Rest More, it really worked. I sleep 8 hours now. I wake up every morning. I'm refreshed. I'm ready to go. I have great days. Rest More is the greatest thing in the world.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.